Gun attack outside child's funeral in St. Andrew. 14-year-old in serious state after being stabbed by schoolmate in St. Anne. Robbers dressed as security guard hit halfway through jewelry store. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man was shot and wounded outside a church at the intersection of Q Lane and Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew on Wednesday morning while a child's funeral was in progress. Reports are that before 11 this morning, men traveling in a Toyota Probox motorcar exited the vehicle and shot the man who was standing outside the church. The incident, which shook mourners, led to an abrupt end to the child's funeral. More details to come following further investigations. A 14-year-old male student of Arbuthnot Gallimore High School remains hospitalized in serious condition after being reportedly stabbed by another student on the school's compound in Alexandra, St. Anne on Tuesday. The police are expected to lay charges against the accused male teenager in the coming days. Reports are that shortly after 11 a.m. on Tuesday, there was a water throwing incident at the school which led to an altercation between the two teenagers. A knife was subsequently brought into play, resulting in one of the boys being stabbed. The wounded boy was rushed to hospital where he was admitted for treatment. In a brazen daylight robbery on Wednesday, men dressed as security guards hit a jewelry store. In fact, the robbers also managed to disarm the security guard for the store, reportedly taking the gun as part of their loot. Reports are that just after 10 a.m., men dressed as security guards enter Pavilion Jewelers in Spring Plaza and proceeded to rob those inside of cell phones and jewelry. The men also reportedly assaulted the store security guard, relieving him of his firearm in the process. They then hurriedly left the store in their bid to escape. There is no word yet on the value of the items stolen during the robbery. The store has been closed.